Hi guys, it's Daniela again and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to do a blue smoky eye. I know I'm a little bit late to this whole blue eyeshadow trend because obviously Kim Kardashian did it a while ago. But then I recently saw Kathleen, she done like a blue eyeshadow tutorial using a palette that one of her friends created. And I've always wanted to do a blue smoky eye, I just never did. So I decided, yeah, I'm actually going to do a blue smoky eye. So yeah, I'm going to do a blue smoky eye tutorial and yeah, I hope you enjoy it. And let's get started. Okay, so first I need to set my eyes, which I should have done off camera. So I'm just setting my eyes with the tart shape tape. So the colour that I really want to use is this colour and it's called Blue Magic by Coloured Rain. So that's the colour that I really want to use. It's so pretty. And I've had this for a while and I've just never gotten the chance to use it. So today is the day. So it's going to be like a really simple smoky eye. Nothing like too crazy. So I'm just going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette for my crease. And I'm going to use this shade mixed in with this shade. I'm going to go in with the Sigma E40 and those two colours into my crease. So I'm just keep building up that colour into my crease. And I'm doing small circular motions and back and forth motions. So now I'm just going to go in with a clean blending brush and just blend out any edges. So now I'm going to go in straight with that shimmer. And I'm going to use the E32 brush by Morphe. And I'm going to spray and I'm just going to go in with that colour. So this is my first shadow from Coloured Rain. And so far, not too bad. Not as pigmented as I thought it was going to be, but then it could be the brush. So I'm going to change brush and I'm still wetting my brush and my phone at the same time apparently. Okay, so I'm not liking how it's looking with a brush, so I'm going to go in with my finger. Yeah, that's a lot better. So obviously there's a little bit of fallout, but I'm not too bothered. I'm going back in with my brush just to do the corner. Okay. So that's that eye. I think this colour performs better with a finger. Which to be honest, I really don't mind because I kind of like going with my finger with shimmers. Okay, so we have that on the eye so far. Now I'm just going to go back in with that brush with no product on it and just blend out the edges. And I'm just seeing if I should intensify it or not. So I'm going to go in with this brush. And those same colours as I used in my crease, I'm just going to go back in. And the brush I'm using is the M412. And I'm just going back in with those colours just to intensify the crease a bit more. So I'm going to go now with this cool tone brown into my crease on a E18. And just build that into my crease. So now I'm going to go in with the E17. And it's clean and I'm just going to blend. So now I'm just going to go in with a clean brush and this is the E27 and just do some tidying up. And as you can see, the blue has definitely faded, but that's fine. I can go back in. And by the way, I've just cleaned a little bit of my eye. So now I'm going to go back in with that blue and intensify it because obviously it's been blended away. So this is the look, obviously, that I wanted. I am going to do the rest of my face on camera, so let's get started. So I'm just going to prime with the PS Primer Water by Primark. So I'm just going to go in with my Urban Decay colour corrector. Okay, so now for the foundation. I'm probably going to mix E7 and E5 together. And I'm going to blend this out with a beauty blender. Okay, so now that I have my foundation on, I'm just going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the colour Light. And I'm just going to blend this out with my beauty blender. Okay, so that is my concealer done. So now I'm going to cream contour. So as you can see, my skin looks really glowy, and that's definitely the foundation. Foundation is super glowy, which I love. So now I'm just going to set my under eyes with the Laura Mercier. And then whatever's left on my beauty blender, I just go over my cheeks with it, just to set a little bit before I go over with the powder. Okay, so now for bronzer and like contour, I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Ultra Scope and Contour Kit in Ultra Fair. And I'm going to go in with this colour. I haven't used this contouring kit in so long, and I used to love it to death. I'm going to go in with, I'm going to play it safe and just go in with Dandelion. I'm going to go in with a little bit of Hoola on this brush, and I'm going to mix Hoola Light and Hoola. So for highlight, I'm going to go in with the middle shade from this palette and just take that onto my cheekbones. And I can't remember like my feelings on this highlighter, so I really didn't put a lot on just because I'm not too keen on that colour. Like, not keen at all. For brows, I'm putting some brow gel in there and that's it. To be honest, they're looking too crazy to be doing something with them. So I'm just going in with my L'Oreal Brow Artist Plumper. So now I'm going to do my lower lash line. And for my lower lash line, I'm literally going in with the same colours as I did before. I'm going with this one and this one mixed in together just on my lower lash line. So this makeup is looking real smoky, and that's the way I want it. Not really spring appropriate, but hey ho. So now I'm going to go in with this colour on my outer lash line. I'm going to go back in with those two crease colours and just blend that out. Actually, I'm going to take a flat definer brush, which is the E43 by Morphe. I'm going to go in with that darker shade and just really press that into my lashes. So now I'm just going to put some black in my waterline, and I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Always On Gel Liner, which is the black one. And I'm also going to tightline. The lash line is definitely looking darker than the top, which I don't mind. So I'm just going to add a thin black line to my lashes. So I'm just going to go off camera, do my mascara, and then I'll be back to do my lips. Okay, so I'm back from doing my mascara, and for my inner corner I used this shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette, just in my inner corner. I'm not too sure on this eye look. I don't know if I like it or not. I'm just not having a good makeup day. I don't feel like my basics perfect. That foundation looks sickening on me. It's just my eyes. I'm not too sure if I like my eyes. Anyways, enough of me jabbling. Jabbling? That's not a word. So I thought for lips, I'm going to go in with a brown lip liner and like maybe a brown lip. For my lip liner, I'm going to use the NYX Brown Coffee lip liner. So I'm just going to fill in all my lip. I've got to say, my least favourite part about doing makeup is my lips, because they're so uneven. I just don't have defined lips. But like the size, I'm not too bothered about the size, but it's just here. Like, I have no definition on the side of my lips. I'm going to go in with my Smashbox liquid lipstick in Got a Light. It's a beautiful colour. And that, my loves, is the finished look. So yeah guys, this is the end of this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up and some comments down below. And I will see you next time. Bye guys.